new birds, parrots.
Hi guys, listen what my husband is such a talkative one. Look, I'm not even done my sentence. He has already an answer. Bansin. No, I'm
I want to show the parrots, honey. That's why.
Please
They're talking parrots, you know.
try to be an eagle instead to be an parrot. Guys, tingnan nyo oh. Ganito mga tao rito sa bundok. Masyadong madadaldal. Ayan. Look at that. How beautiful the mountain. Guys, ganito yung weather dito ngayon oh. Madilim. Ilipat natin. Kaya lang madumi yung ano, madumi yung front ng window. Kaya subiti sa Obama. Supadangkin. Naknik.
Witzel.
Yan, gumanda na. Yan guys, oh. Yan yung surrounding ng kabundukan dito. Ganda, no? Mas maganda kung may araw. Matatanaw nyo talaga yung ganda ng view. Ito yung pinaka-favorite area ko dito. Dahil, ay sorry naman. Maraming cut. Sorry ha, hindi ako marunong mag-edit. Gusto ko pa rin ipakita yung view dito. Ayan yung area. Ito ang area ng Salfield din. Ganda, no? Ayan yung araw dito, o ganyan lang. Kapiranggot.